Hello friends, this is class 6th, Honeysuckle, lesson number 1, Who Did Patrick's Homework? Today, we'll discuss homework which I assigned you in last class. Make sure that you keep your notebook, pen, pencil, black pen, blue pen, etc. with you to do your homework neat and clean. In order to begin with the homework in your new notebook, make sure you draw a correction work column at your right hand side and make the format neat and clean. You will write the questions with black pen and answers with blue pen. Kindly make sure that you follow the instructions. Let's begin with new words. I hope you all have made the format in which you have written lesson number 1, Who Did Patrick's Homework, in the middle, and make sure that you write the name of the book also, that is Honeysuckle, in bracket beside lesson number 1. Make sure you have made the correction work column at your right hand side. Now let's begin with new words. Make heading new words. Underline it and then word 1 is grabbed. Grabbed is to be written in black ink and snatched is to be written in blue ink. Grabbed means snatched. Number 2, yelled, made a sudden loud cry. Number 3, cursed, affected by something bad. Number 4, squeaked, made a short and high-pitched cry. Number 5 is weary, that is lacking strength or energy. What does it mean when you feel tired? It means you feel weary. Number 6, blurry, very tired and unable to see clearly. When does it happen? When you work till late at night or you study till late at night. In the morning you often feel blurry because you are unable to see clearly because of the tiredness in your eyes. Number 7 is amazed. Amazed means surprised. Means when you express your feelings all of a sudden. That is amazed. Next is slyly. Slyly means secretively, without anyone letting know that you are doing something. That means slyly. Next, now let's answer the questions which are given at the back exercise of your lesson number 1, Who Did Patrick's Homework. Write heading question answers or let's answer the following questions. Heading will be written in black ink. Question answers. First question. What did Patrick think his cat was playing with? First of all, answer this question. Then, what was it really? Now, answer of this question. Patrick thought. Here we have used second form of the verb because question has been asked in past tense because did is given there. And the second form of think is thought, which we have written in answer. Patrick thought that his cat was playing with a little doll. Now second question is, what was it really? Its answer, it was actually a man of the tiniest size. Now let's move to the next question. Why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? Its answer, the little man granted Patrick a wish. Here also we have used second form of the verb, that is granted. Granted is second form of grant. Why have we used? You know that because did is there in the question. The question has been asked in past tense, so the answer will also be in past tense. The little man granted Patrick a wish because he wanted to get free from cat. Next question. And the question is, what was Patrick's wish? You all know that What did Patrick want? There was only one problem in Patrick's life, and that was only homework. He just wanted someone to do his homework so that he could play freely. So, its answer is Patrick wanted the little man to do all of his homework till the end of semester. The semester which lasted for 35 days. So here you will answer Patrick wanted the little man to do all of his homework till the end of the semester that lasted for 35 days. Now, our next question. In what subjects did the little man need help to do Patrick's homework? Now, we all know that elves were not good at all the subjects because in elf's life there are no studies actually. So, elf definitely he needed help in a few of the subjects and which are mentioned in the lesson also. He didn't know the words, the spellings of the words, he didn't know the reading, so he wanted help in English. Then he didn't know timetables, the operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, fraction, these all were dancing over Patrick's head. So he needed help in maths also. And one more subject was there, that was history. History was totally a mystery for elf. So elf needed help in history also. So here is the answer of our question. The little man needed help in English, mathematics and human history. Write this answer. Now next is question number 5. Question is, how did Patrick help him? Here him is elf. Means how did elf get help from Patrick? Because elf could not do anything. So he started shouting at Patrick and Patrick had to help elf in any way because Patrick wanted elf to do his homework till the end of the semester that lasted for 35 days. Now, how did Patrick help him? Let's see its answer. Patrick sat beside the little man. Beside means here by the side of and guided him. He brought books from library and read out to him. Means everything was being done by Patrick only. Patrick brought books from library, he opened the books, he read the books and ultimately I think Patrick was the one who did his homework. It was not elf, what I think. Next question. Who do you think did Patrick's homework? The little man or Patrick himself? Give reasons for your answers. You can answer your own opinion, whatever you think. But I would like to give you an answer which is I think. Now in such questions where it is given what do you think? Here you need to start your answer by writing I think because here your opinion has been asked. I think it was Patrick himself who actually did all the homework. He had to help Elf again and again with guidance and books. But students, let me tell you one thing that what I feel that there was no elf. That was the determination of Patrick because he used to feel ignoramus whenever his teachers asked him something. So he might have decided to learn everything and he would be determined at that time. And I think his determination worked at that time. So what I feel, if you are determined enough to do your work, any of the work, you can do it. Nothing is impossible in the world. There are three words in impossible word also, that is I am possible. What does it mean? Means you are the only one who can make anything or everything possible in your life. So if you are determined enough to do anything, you can do everything. Please write the question answers and then Your homework is to, let's see the homework. Your homework is to learn new words and question answers of lesson 1 of Honeysuckle. Make sure whenever you are learning question answers, new words, or anything else in English, please make sure that you write that particular thing after learning. Because when you write that thing, those words get printed in your mind. And one more thing, you will never forget the spellings of the words. So please, whenever you learn something, write that and then learn. Learn, write. If you find out the errors, correct those errors, then learn and then again write until and unless you get everything correct. Thank you so much.